What if I told you there's a place on Earth so alive? It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, hides millions of species, and yet humans have explored less than 5% of it. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, a world where nature still rules. Stretching across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on the planet, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It's often called the lungs of the Earth, but it's much more than that. It's a living, breathing ecosystem unlike anything else. The Amazon is home to over 390 billion trees, representing around 16,000 species. But that's just the beginning. Scientists estimate that nearly 10% of all known species on Earth live here. From vibrant macaws flying through the canopy to stealthy jaguars hunting in silence, every layer of the forest is filled with life. Deep beneath the thick green canopy lies a world still untouched. Insects, amphibians, and plants are being discovered. Every year some with the potential to cure diseases we haven't even solved yet. Imagine, the medicine of the future could already exist, hidden in this jungle. At the heart of this vast forest flows the mighty Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, but the largest by water volume. It carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. This river is the lifeline of the rainforest, supporting ecosystems and communities alike. But the Amazon isn't just about nature, it's also home to over 400 indigenous tribes. Some have had little to no contact with the outside world. For them, the forest isn't just a habitat, it's their identity, culture, and survival. However, this incredible ecosystem is under threat. Every minute, large areas of the forest are destroyed due to deforestation, illegal logging, and agriculture expansion. Fires burn through ancient trees, and with them, countless species lose their homes. The loss of the Amazon doesn't just affect South America, it impacts the entire planet. It plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Without it, global temperatures could rise even faster. And yet, there is still hope. Conservation efforts, awareness, and global action are slowly making a difference. The future of the Amazon depends on what we do today. If you care about our planet and want to see more powerful stories like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's spread awareness together. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It's the heartbeat of our planet, and protecting it means protecting our future. Stay curious, stay aware, and remember, this is our planet.